Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class where we will see gentle, simple asanas to reduce pain as well as strengthen the muscles in our back. So we can do this either on our bed or once you're comfortable and you're able to get down to the floor, you can also do it on the mat. So we'll begin this by coming to lie down. Bend your knees, feet flat. First one is you're going to simply tilt your pelvis forward and back. What I mean by saying tilting the pelvis forward is the arch in your lower back increases. You'll be able to place your hands here and notice the space. And when you tilt it back, the arch gets flattened. You're pressing on the mat. Now for you to get feedback, to know you're doing it right, you can always place your palms at your lower back, that is your lumbar arch, and then press that lower back as you're pressing your hand, and then tilt, release, so you're able to pull your hands out. So you're tilting, flatten completely, and back. And here you're going to observe if you're going to notice any pain. So only come to a point that you feel the discomfort. If there's no pain, you can do 5 of this. If not, come to a point of discomfort, either when you're tilting it anteriorly, tilting it forward. Stay there. Take a deep breath in, completely exhale through your mouth, and then tilt it back, pressing your lower back. Inhale and exhale through your mouth. The more you practice this, like coming to that point of discomfort, bringing your awareness to that area, completely exhaling, you'll notice over a period of time, the pain reduces. Once again, tilt forward and back. You can also place a small towel, a folded towel in this area, and you're trying to press that down. Also be very mindful. Doing this movement is going to aggravate your pain. Then just skip this and move to the next one. I'm just showing you the most gentle and most easiest to do, which should not aggravate, but also it's very different. Like the reason for your backache can be so many. So all of us can do this, provided your doctor has said, you need to be completely on bed rest. Next one is Ardha Pavanmuktasana. Straighten the left, bend your right knee and pull your right knee towards your belly. And here you can experiment by pulling it slightly towards your shoulder. See how your back feels. If it doesn't, bring it back. Hold. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. Again, bringing your awareness to your back. Inhaling. Completely exhaling. And release. Release. Now go to the other leg. I'll leave a more detailed in the description how to progress with your practice. You can always read that and do as many as you can. Stay here for 3 breaths. Sometimes our knee may be really high. That's fine as long as your leg is not hanging in the air and you're placing it in contact with the earth. It should be fine. If you need to, you can just drag your heels slightly ahead, bending your knee further to see if that relieves pain in your back. And once that feels comfortable, slide your leg all the way and straighten. Release. The next one is hug both your knees towards your chest. Press. And you're going to rock side to side, nicely massaging your lower back. Four and five. Drop your feet down. Keep your feet as wide as the mat. Half your heel and big toe is on the mat, the remaining on the floor. Again, tilt your pelvis and bring your knees to touch. Stay here. Breathe in, breathe out. One more deep breath in. Completely exhale through your mouth. Now, knees point towards the ceiling. Arms like the letter T. MarkatAsana. Simply drop your knees to your right. If you notice, I'm not bringing it all the way to the floor. When you have backache, you will know, one side feels more comfortable than the other. Just do more towards that side. And the opposite side where you have pain, just come to a point again of discomfort. 5. Nice and slow. Just mimicking the movement of the windshield wiper. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Back again. Bring your feet here. Bring your knees to touch. Tilt your pelvis. Hold it there. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. You can do about 3 sets of this. And whichever asana, makes you feel better or relieves your back pain, do more of it. Now for the next one, Matsya Asana, we're going to come to side lying, whichever side, right or left. If you're turning on your right side, straighten your right leg, left knee comes up. If you need to, you can always use a pillow and rest here. Stack one palm over the other and rest your forehead. While this stays extended, rest your head. Breathe in, breathe out. So if you don't have back pain which is like evenly on both the sides, if one side is the pain is there, then see which side works for you and just practice on that side. Now suppose it's your right, stay here, stack your palms one over the other, rest. Breathe in, breathe out. If you can, bring your elbows towards your knee. To begin with, whatever feels comfortable. Stay here for 30 seconds. Bringing your awareness to your breath. And 1. Release. Now the other side. It's a very nice resting pose also. Breathe in, breathe out. Sometimes it may be uncomfortable on our chest. You can always use a pillow. We're doing this on the bed because the bed has a give. It's very comfortable. Your choice. If you want to extend your hand, extend. And 1. Release. Lie on your belly. Palms next to your shoulder. Legs extended out. Inhale, slowly come up. Be very mindful when you do this. If you notice any pain, stop just slightly before that. Before you come to a point of discomfort, take a deep breath in. Completely exhale. One more. And if you think you can go further, lift up slightly. And one. Release. What you're going to do here in this baby cobra, you're going to do for a few breaths and slowly build from there. Like you can start off with about 30 seconds or even 15 seconds if the pain is a lot, and then slowly move to 30 seconds and to a minute. Once you're done here, if you need to release any tension, open your knees wide and drop your hips in the direction of your heels, forehead towards the mat. Breathe in, completely breathe out. 2 and 1. The last one is MarkatAsana, Asana. Again, knees beneath your seat, palms beneath your shoulder. Gently arch your back, gaze forward. Breathe out and round. Inhale. Exhale. 5 of this. And this is one thing you can do, in the morning as well as even before you go to bed. And 1. If you see, I'm not deepening the arch. Just go to a point that's comfortable. Eventually, you're going to get to the full pose once your back gets strong. Either sit in Sukhasana, bringing all your awareness to your lower back. Completely exhale. So wherever you're going to bring your focus to, that's where energy flows. So if the area where the problem lies is your back, bring your awareness there. Take a deep breath and just imagine as though the air is going, you're moving the air to that area. Anatomically, it's not going to go there. It's going to go into your lungs, but you're going to just bring your awareness so that the prana, that is the energy, which in yoga is prana, your breath is like a vehicle and this prana is like on that vehicle and it's moving to different areas. One more deep breath in, exhaling through your mouth. That is again going to help release those blockages. Inhale and exhale. Thank you for being here, for doing this practice with me. Try this out. Let me know how it works for you, how it helps you. If you have any questions regards to this practice or anything else related to yoga, you can always write to me in the comments below. If you're looking for any specific condition because of which you have developed back pain and you want me to give you a set of asanas to help that, leave that question in the comments below and I will come up with a video soon. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you found this valuable and helpful, please like and share. Namaste.